Hi there. So you're interested in possibly taking our online public safety certification course. So I am here just to give you a quick overview of what that course includes and some of the things that you'll be able to take away from it. So what you're looking at here is my screen, and I'm logged into our Ivywave Learning Center, which is where we host all of our online learning courses. And I've selected the public safety course, and then what you see here is a long list of all of the different topic-based modules that you will have available to you within this course. So let's just make our way through the list to see some of the things that you'll be learning. You can see that it starts with just a very brief introduction to Ivywave Public Safety, and then we move into things like creating projects, focusing on building modeling, the DAS design, looking at the components database editor and what you can do in there with all of the different parts that you have available with you to design with, diving into things like calculations, what reports that you can run, all of the different tools that we have available to you in public safety, and then even getting more granular with things like graphics and legends, options and settings. And then of course, there's a dive into other topics like propagation, data collection and interference, optimization. And then you'll see down here we have this design from scratch module. And this is really neat because this allows you to basically design a public safety network from start to finish, from scratch yourselves to really get that hands-on practice and exercise. And then of course that just prepares you for the final step, which is completing the final exam for your official certification. So what I'll do here is just actually click into the first module, which is the introduction to Ivywave Public Safety. And what this will allow us to do is just to see all of the different sections and the amount of time that will be focused on for each of the different topics.
Welcome to that.
I'm just going to mute the voice here. So you can see here, it's the modules that we just went through in the overall list. And this gives you the time. So you can see some of them are quite brief, like creating a new project, the useful tools section, and then others of them start to get a little bit longer, especially when you get into the heavier topics that have more impact, I suppose, on the end result of your design, like the building modeling, the DAS design portion, propagation. So those are deeper dives into those heavier topics. And then you can see the design from scratch workshops is a good 3-hour exercise for you, and then given 3 hours for the final exam. Whether you need the 3 hours, some people do and some people don't. So it's really, this is to give you an overview of the course, the amount of time for each topic, and hopefully give you the information you need to take the next step. Thank you very much.